How to fix no sound on Windows 10. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So the very first option that you can try in order to fix this is by going to the settings right over here. Now, once you are here in the settings, you want to go to update and security and then to troubleshoot on the left. Now here you have additional troubleshooters, so you want to click on there and this will bring you over to additional troubleshooters like it basically says. So here you can troubleshoot all of these problems if you have them. So here you can see playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound. So you can click on there and then click on run the troubleshooter. Then this will pop up. Here you have to select the audio output that you are using. As you can see, I have a lot of them, but this is the one that I use. Then click on next, and then you might get like some other options like I have, or you get the same one. So you can, for example, click on yes, open audio enhancements. And here you can, for example, see your device. So here it says device usage. It is enabled, but it might actually be disabled for you, for example. So you can enable that over here. At levels, this might also be all the way on 0. That means that, you don't hear anything. And in order to test it out, if it still works properly, you can go to advanced and click on test. And if you see if you hear anything, if you don't hear anything, you might, for example, have to change it to, a different hertz or bits, for example. But yeah, once you are done with that, you can actually close all of this out and right click on your sound and then go to sounds over here and then to I believe playback, and these are the sounds that you're using. So this is my headset, right? But let's say it could actually be set on disabled, and then as you can see, this is how it will look like. And now nothing will go through my headset anymore. So I will have to enable it right here by myself, for example. The third option that you can try and do is search for services right over here and then open this up. Then scroll all the way down until you start seeing the Windows section, as you can see, and then you have Windows audio right over here. You want to double click on this and make sure that it's set to automatic. So that it's always enabled, right? It also says running, so that means that the audio is running, but let's say it was. And yeah, and then the fourth option which you can try and do is if you right click on the Windows button over here, then go to Device Manager. You can over here see all of your devices connected to your PC. So you can, for example, go to audio inputs and outputs. And then here you can, for example, see that this is my headset that I use. And I want to click on right click and, for example, do like update driver over here. So then search automatically for drivers and then search for updated drivers in the Windows updates. But everything is basically up to date, so I don't have any. You might have. What you can also try and do is uninstall the device, completely disconnect your headset from your PC, and then plug it back in, and then it will sort of like reinstall it again. And that might also work. So I hope this helped you out. This is how to fix no sound in Windows 10. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.